Daily VAT. In this part, we will discuss some of the updates of daily VAT for the month of April 2014. Highlights of updates. As we discussed in our earlier presentation regarding the amendment of CST Form 1 as per the Central Sales Tax Daily Amendment Rules 2014. But the same have no impact on the fourth quarter return for the year 2013-14. It will continue in the same format as existing at the beginning of the quarter. Now all orders including issuance of notice regarding objection, disposal and assessment shall be issued by the Objection Hearing Authority and Assistant Commissioner only through the relevant system module. Now let's discuss each of the updates in detail. Filing of return in Form 1 under Central Sales Tax Act 1956. Circular number 1 of 2014-15 dated 9th April 2014. Block R10 year-wise detail of pending forms and declaration, and R11 utilization account of declaration form issued in advance of Central Sales Tax Return Form 1. Have been omitted through amendment carried out in Central Sales Tax Daily Rule 2005 notification dated 5th March 2014. Since the notification came into effect from 5th March 2014, the fourth quarter return for the year 2013-14 will continue in the same format as existing at the beginning of the quarter and may be filled with aforesaid block R10 and R11. However, the information pertaining to the year 2009-10 and 2010-11 shall not be provided in the block R10 since default assessment for missing form for these years has already been carried out. Now all the orders or notice issued through a system module. All orders including issuance of notice regarding objection, disposal and assessment shall be issued by Objection Hearing Authority and Assistant Commissioner only through the relevant system module. The notice may additionally be issued through a register post if so felt necessary by the authority issuing the same. Any order not issued through a system module would not carry the unique reference number and barcode and hence would be suspicious and hence treated as an invalid order that cannot be acted upon by other authorities. Such invalid issuance shall be viewed adversely against the officer under whose authority the order or notice is issued. Hope the presentation is useful for you. Your feedback is valuable for us. Please contact us on the mentioned mail ID or phone number. For more videos related to daily VAT, watch our daily VAT playlist. For regular updates and analysis, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks.